All right, for the good. G'day guys, Hayden Quinn here in the delicious kitchen, and today we are cooking satay pork noodles. I guess it's my little spin twist on the classic Dan noodles because I love them so much. They're bloody amazing, and this is perfect for a midweek meal. First things first, we've got our noodles. I can't stop touching them, they feel amazing. Pot of rapidly boiling water, and the noodles, we're just gonna basically blanch them in there really quickly. Okay, noodles are done. One thing I always do whenever I'm cooking noodles or pasta is just save a little bit of that cooking liquid because it's great to add back into your sauce. Gives it a nice smooth, silky sort of texture. So save some of your cooking liquid, but we just gotta strain these off, into a bowl. And we've got some sesame oil that I'm just gonna toss the noodles through. Set that aside. Time to make our sauce. That's your cut point right there. Okay, for the sauce, we've got a few different ingredients that we're just gonna combine in a jug. So we have some soy sauce, goes in, black vinegar, some sambal, some chili kick, my favorite ingredient, peanut butter. Woo! Just to finish it off, some chicken stock. Peanut butter obviously will sort of not incorporate too well straight away, but once it hits the heat, the oils in the peanut will sort of break it down and it'll all come together. Okay, so we've got our wok, nice high heat. I'm gonna add some peanut oil into the wok. Let that heat up just a little bit. Basically this, you can grate your garlic, so grated or crushed garlic, really finely chopped. That's gonna go in. We also have some grated ginger. I'm gonna just quickly sort of stir fry that. We don't wanna get any color on the ginger or the garlic, so once that's aromatic, we go straight in with our pork mince. So we're gonna add in some ground Szechuan peppercorns. I actually got a bit of a funny story about the Szechuan. So my roommate went out on a date to a Chinese restaurant, had no idea what Szechuan was, ate a whole heap of it, thought his mouth was going numb, he thought his face was falling off, and had a complete freak out on the date. First night, didn't go very well. But if you have Szechuan, it can give you like a little numbing, tingling sort of sensation. It's completely normal. Do not abort on the date. Keep going. Got a little hoisin sauce that's gonna go in for some sweetness. Mix that around. Mix up rice wine. Sort of evaporating all of that off, so it'll almost be a dry pan again. So and just finally, we've got our stock, peanut butter, soy sauce, black vinegar mixture, which I'm gonna add. All right, so the goal now is just to simmer it for about 2 minutes until it reduces just slightly. All right, that's looking really good. It's starting to thicken up nicely. The sauce is nice and brown and rich. Just gonna turn the heat off. And we have our noodles here. Just grabbing them, sort of loosen them up a little bit. This is where our reserved cooking liquid comes in. We can just sort of wait and see if we need it. If it's looking a little bit dry, we can add some more, but if not, we may not need to use. All right, time to serve it up. Really simple. Basically, you need a nice big bowl. You need your noodles in the bowl, and then you need it to hit the table, and you're gonna eat it, okay? Look at that. Those little extra bits of the pork meat sauce. A few garnishes just to finish off. We've got some garlic chives, similar to regular chives, but with a little bit of a garlic flavor. They're also flat, they're not hollow. Spring onion that has just been iced and curled up nicely. And of course some chili, some extra roasted peanuts that we've just crushed up. The all-important taste test. Look at this. So good. That's really good. Super creamy. It's got that peanutty taste, a little bit of texture. A little kick from the chili. There it is, satay pork noodles. Really quick, super easy, perfect for that midweek meal. You can grab the recipe on delicious.com.au.